Hi, I'm Josh from the Hubert Company. Today, we'll explore the key features and options available for our exceptional Hubert Tritan stainless steel beverage dispensers. You'll have the freedom to choose from our 3-gallon or 5-gallon dispenser, ensuring that you have the perfect size for your needs. Our beverage dispensers are crafted with durability in mind, using stainless steel for both the lids, cores, and bases, providing you with a reliable and a long-lasting solution. The containers are made from a BPA-free Tritan material, ensuring that your beverages remain safe and uncontaminated. You can customize your beverage experience with 2 versatile features, the ice core and the infusion core. To use the ice core, simply fill the stainless steel insert with ice, then place the tube back in the core. For optimal performance, add some cold water, but remember, the tube is not freezer safe, so do not put it in the freezer. To use the infusion core, just remove the ice core and then add your favorite fruits or herbs into the center of the infusion core and then place it back into the beverage dispenser, and you're ready to serve your delicious infused water. In addition, you can purchase separately this Hubert hands-free spigot adapter. It easily attaches to the spigot to ensure the highest level of hygiene and ease of use for your customers. In conclusion, Hubert brand Tritan stainless steel beverage dispensers offer the perfect blend of durability, versatility, and style, making your beverage service exceptional and enjoyable. Thank you for allowing Hubert to help you elevate your beverage service today.